Alrighty, happy Friday afternoon. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Scott's Recreation, New England's largest trailer dealer, home of Maine's lowest camper and tractor prices, with locations in Turner, Manchester, Herman, and Orono, Maine. Here we go. High wind warnings up until 4 a.m. on Saturday for all these areas highlighted here. Wind advisory here until about 2 a.m. for your Saturday for that shade right there. Other alerts also in effect further down toward the south. This right here is an aerial flood watch for this shade of color right here. That right there is an aerial flood warning, coastal flood warnings along the coast. We have a storm warning over the water here until 4 a.m. Saturday. And another alert you don't normally see very often, but with a system like this, it doesn't surprise me that they issued it. This right here is a hurricane force wind warning that is also in effect until 3 a.m. Saturday. So that means hurricane force winds at least 74 miles per hour or worse are possible in those areas. So it's a very strong system. We did have a winter weather advisory earlier, but that has since been dropped as of 11 a.m. this morning. Let's zoom things out and give you all the active alerts in effect. A lot of people with wind alerts, flooding alerts, wind chill alerts in effect, some freeze alerts further down toward the south, and of course blizzard and winter storm warnings in effect across the good part of the Midwest. Back here at home, we're watching the system tracking in from the south going toward the north, and of course the rain continuing and the temperatures will rise, so all the snow in the northern ends of the state switching over to rain. That means 1 to 2, maybe up to 3 inches of rain. Cannot be ruled out with the system right here that continues to track off from the southwest, going toward the north and east and intensifying very fast. That is why we have all these alerts in effect across the good part of the country, with a cold blast of Arctic air taking place across the good part of the country as well. So futurecast, plenty of rain taking place today and in parts of tonight. Cold front moves in, some snow showers also possible as temperatures crash into the teens very quickly. Maybe some of that snow sticking around on the ground as well on Saturday, but a mixture of clouds and sun moving forward and some wind as well sticking around in the parts of Saturday night. So of course we'll be dealing with the wind for a while, but most of the precipitation will be done as we head towards you Saturday. How much snow? Maybe a little bit across the northern ends of the state. No big deal for us. This will all melt away with the rising temperatures, but then once the temperatures crash, maybe a little bit more closer toward the coast, maybe a ½ inch or less, and just a few select areas. So nothing too ridiculous in the snowfall department. It's all that wind, of course, and this big system and all the rainfall as well that will track off towards the north and east. So again, a lot of the precipitation will wrap up as we head towards Saturday, but the wind will take a few days to clear up before things finally start to calm down in general. So otherwise, though, moving forward, 1 to 2, maybe up to 3 inches of rain possible on top of what we've already received before we're all finished up. So a good amount of precipitation are still on the way, and wind gusts as well, up to 50 to 60, even 70 miles per hour in some spots possible before we start to calm things down a little bit as we head towards your Saturday. So your forecast for today, here we go. Lower 50s, that wintry mix changing to all rain, damaging winds with that east wind getting up to around 55 miles per hour. For tonight, 15 degrees. We're going to feel that change. Rain changing to snow, some damaging winds as well. Southwest wind getting up to about 60 miles per hour. Alrighty, here's the Scott's Recreation extended forecast. We're partly cloudy on Saturday. Still pretty breezy from time to time with wind gusts up to around 30 to 40 miles per hour still, but slowly backing off. Otherwise, partly cloudy by that point. We're partly cloudy on Christmas Day. Highs in the mid-20s, upper 20s Monday and Tuesday. Monday, we're partly cloudy. Slight chance of snow as we head towards Tuesday. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.